Nature is full of secrets, and some of its rarest even defy everything we know. Today, we are diving into the most extraordinary phenomena that only a lucky few ever get to witness it. Fire rainbow. Fire rainbows are rare optical phenomena that occur when sunlight passes through the ice crystal in high altitude cirrus clouds. Cirrus clouds are thin, wispy clouds found at high altitude. The ice crystal act as a prism refracting the sunlight at a specific angle, usually around 22 degrees. This results in a rainbow-like display with intense color of red, orange, and yellow, giving the appearance of a fire rainbow. Unlike regular rainbows, fire rainbow only appear when the sun is at precise angle, typically above 22 degrees in the sky, and the right kind of clouds are present. Fire rainbows are incredibly very rare because they require specific weather conditions, including the presence of cirrus cloud. The phenomena is most commonly seen in regions with clear skies and high altitudes, such as mountains or tropical areas. Their brief and vibrant appearance combined with the rarity of their occurrence makes fire rainbows a fascinating and magical natural event. Blue moon. A blue moon is a rare lunar event that captures the imagination of sky watchers worldwide. A blue moon does not actually mean it appears blue in color. The term traditionally refers to an extra full moon that occurs in a specific time frame. The most widely accepted definition today describes a blue moon as the second full moon within a single calendar month, a phenomena that typically happens once every 2 to 3 years. This rarity is due to the fact that a lunar cycle, or the time between two full moons, lasts approximately 29.5 days, with most months have 30 or 31 days. It is uncommon for two full moons to fit into the same year. February, with its shorter span, will never experience a full moon under this definition. This infrequent nature of this event has given rise to the phrase once in a blue moon symbolizes something rare or unusual. The visual impact of a blue moon is same as the other full moon, but its rarity makes it special for observers. On every rare occasion, if volcanic eruption or wildfires release fine particles into the atmosphere, the moon can appear bluish in color. This is not directly linked to the blue moon event but adds an additional layer of integrity within the when conditions align. Volcanic lightning. Volcanic lightning, also called dirty thunderstorm, is a rare and inspiring natural phenomenon that occurs during a volcanic eruption. This electrifying display happens when ash, gas, and volcanic particles expel into atmosphere create static electricity within the volcanic plume. The result is a dramatic and otherworldly spectacle of lightning bolts flashing through clouds of ash and smoke. The phenomena begins with the forceful eruption of a volcano, which propels ash and gas into the atmosphere. Within the plume, volcanic particles collide at high speeds, generating electrical charge through friction. This process creates conditions for lightning. As the charged particles separate with positive charge rising higher and negative charge remaining lower, the electrical potential builds until it is released into powerful discharge of lightning. Volcanic lightning is a unique because it does not always require water, unlike typical thunderstorms. Instead, the ash, dust, and other particles act as the medium for generating the charge. The conditions for this phenomena are highly specific, which is why it is rarely observed. Only certain types of eruption, often those with high level of ash and energy, create the right environment for volcanic lightning to form. Raining animals. Raining animals is one of the nature's most unexplained phenomena. Although it sounds like something out of a fairy tale, there have been documented instances of animals such as fish, frogs, and even jellyfish falling from the sky during thunderstorms. This rare occurrence has left witnesses amazed. This phenomenon is believed to be caused by the strong weather events such as tornado or waterspout. Waterspouts are the intense wild winds that form over bodies of water, creating a powerful updraft capable of lifting small aquatic animals into the atmosphere. These creatures are carried high into the sky along with water and are transported over considerable distance. Eventually, when the storm loses its strength, the animals fall back to the ground, often far from their original habitat. Fish and frogs are the most common example. Other animals have also reportedly rained down, including spiders and snakes. Ball lightning Ball lightning is one of the most mysterious and rare natural phenomena ever observed. It appears as a glowing spherical object of light that typically appears during thunderstorms, lasting anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. The phenomena is so rare and unpredictable. Witnesses often describe ball lightning as a floating orb ranging in size from a few centimeters to meters. Its color vary from white and yellow to orange and red. These spears can hover, drift unpredictably, or even move through walls and windows without causing immediate damage, making them seem almost supernatural. Some accounts report a sudden loud explosion when the ball dissipates, while others describe a silent vanishing. Scientists believe ball lightning may be linked to the electrical activity during thunderstorm, but the exact mechanism behind its formation remains unclear. One report suggests that it forms from vaporized silicon in soil which get ionized and trapped in a glowing plasma sphere. If you like this video, please sure to subscribe for more updates.